Welcome to QuantVPS. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing NinjaTrader 8 onto your QuantVPS server. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having NinjaTrader 8 on your server enhances your trading capabilities and ensures you have all the tools you need at your fingertips. Let's dive in and get started with this essential setup. If you haven't downloaded Microsoft Remote Desktop yet, you can find a video tutorial as well as a blog post on how to download and access your server in the description below. The first thing we're going to do is open a web browser of your choice. For this example, I'll be using Firefox. Once your browser is open, type ninjatrader.com into the search bar. This will take you to the official NinjaTrader website where you can download the software. Once you're on the NinjaTrader website, click the red Get Started button. This will take you to a page where you can sign up for a new account. If you already have an account, simply click the Login button, as shown here. I already have a NinjaTrader account. If you don't have an account yet, please pause the video and create one using your email, Google, or Apple. Once you've set up your account, or if you already have one, log in and return to this video for instructions on how to download NinjaTrader onto your server. After you create an account or log in, you'll be directed to the NinjaTrader dashboard. Here, you can perform various tasks such as funding your account, managing your trading settings, and accessing educational resources. However, in this video, I'll focus on showing you how to download NinjaTrader. Look towards the bottom left corner of the dashboard, and you'll see a big red Download button. Go ahead and click it to proceed. After you click Download, you'll want to ensure you download the most recent version of NinjaTrader 8, as shown here. Click the Download button to start the process. Follow the prompts to save the installer file to your server. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process, ensuring that all components are properly set up. This will equip your QuantVPS server with the latest tools and features NinjaTrader 8 has to offer. Once you complete the setup wizard, click Finish. Now, minimize or close your web browser, and you'll see that NinjaTrader has been downloaded to your computer. Locate the application icon, click on it, and follow the prompts to log in. Once logged in, you can start configuring your settings and begin trading with NinjaTrader on your QuantVPS server. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in getting NinjaTrader set up on your QuantVPS server. For more information and resources, visit QuantVPS.com and subscribe to our blog at blog.quantvps.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and educational videos. Happy trading!